Nobody here to stroke my ego. Nobody here to tell me who I am. Nobody here to hear me be silent. Nobody here to carry my weight. Alone, I'm not lonely. On my own, a little mad, but glad. She was the queen of my senses, the empress of my defenses. She tore me up like a hurricane, jumped at me, crashing and rolled.